हिंदी इंग्लिश क्लास चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। क्या तुमने मेरी बात सुनी? Did you listen to what I said? Did you listen to what I said? मैंने कल रात फिल्म देखी। I watched a movie last night. I watched a movie last night. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you walk with me now? Will you walk with me now? तुम्हें अपना पासवर्ड बदलना चाहिए। You should change your password now. You should change your password now. क्या तुमने दरवाजा बंद किया? Did you close the door properly? Did you close the door properly? मुझे तुम्हारा जवाब अभी चाहिए। I need your answer right now. I need your answer right now. क्या तुम कल वहां जाओगे? Will you go there tomorrow? Will you go there tomorrow? वो आज स्कूल नहीं जाएगा। He won't go to school today. He won't go to school today. तुम्हें अभी घर वापस आना चाहिए। You should come home right now. You should come home right now. क्या तुमने पैसे चुकाए हैं? Have you paid the money already? Have you paid the money already? मैंने आज सुबह नाश्ता किया। I had breakfast this morning. I had breakfast this morning. तुम कल कितने बजे उठे? What time did you wake up yesterday? What time did you wake up yesterday? क्या तुम्हें मेरी मदद चाहिए? Do you need my help now? Do you need my help now? तुम्हारा फोन अभी बज रहा है। Your phone is ringing right now. Your phone is ringing right now. क्या तुम अभी घर पर हो? Are you at home right now? Are you at home right now? तुमने मेरी किताब कहाँ रखी? Where did you keep my book? Where did you keep my book? तुमने अभी तक कुछ खाया? Have you eaten anything so far? Have you eaten anything so far? क्या हम कल साथ चलेंगे? Will we go together tomorrow? Will we go together tomorrow? तुमने अपनी पढ़ाई शुरू कर दी? Have you started your studies yet? Have you started your studies yet? मैंने अभी तक यह नहीं किया। I haven't done this yet. I haven't done this yet. Thank you for watching this video. ऐसे ही और वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें। तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। धन्यवाद।